When performing real ear measurements, it is important that hearing care professional positions the probe tube correctly in order to get accurate measurements. Research shows that if the placement is off by as little as 2 mm, can cause level changes of 2 decibels or more. ProbeGUIDE is an assistant tool from AudioScan that ensures the probe tube is correctly placed. Now there is a direct link from Genie 2, which makes this feature easily accessible from the same window. A shortcut is found under AutoFit. A pop-up window appears for a recommendation of ProbeGUIDE. The Real Ear Measurement AutoFit step screen now presents a link to initiate ProbeGUIDE. When the probe tube is being inserted into the ear canal, the hearing care professional should look at either the VeriFit 2 or the AudioScan screen on the computer, where the location of the tip of the probe tube will be shown as an illustration. The location of the tip of the probe tube will show as a white indicator ball live on the screen. Once the probe tube is placed correctly, the screen will display a check mark and play a chime to indicate to the hearing care professional to stop pushing further into the canal.